So the third person, type of person watching your joy is called the energy vampire. So these are the type of people wherein they see you also silently or not silently to be able to feel alive. So have you ever noticed feeling drained, moody, suddenly tired, fatigued, or even unwell after shortly sharing your blessings, your good things, your new achievements, or positive things in your life? Or when you celebrate an achievement with them? If so, you might be experiencing the effects of what some call the evil eye, or simply negative energy from those around you. Personally, I experienced this a lot of times myself, and whenever I encounter this type of person, whether it's an acquaintance or a friend, I would actually avoid these people because it does not give me benefit. The belief is that there are certain individuals with a negative outlook in life, discontent, or a lack of gratitude in their own lives, can unknowingly or knowingly direct harmful energy to you. So when they see your happiness, your positivity, your good things in life, your blessings and successes, it can cause irritation or resentment within themselves. So this intense negativity, whether it's intentional or not, is thought to drain your energy, and in some cases, even manifest as sudden illness or a general feeling of being off. This is something many people, myself included, have experienced. So it's a reminder to become mindful of what you share and of the energy we encounter to protect our well-being. So in this world of social media, many people are fond of sharing their own blessings or good things or positive aspects in your own lives, right? Like even me, I have shared it before, but now I do not share it anymore. I keep it very private.